quiet. All right, today we're gonna bring a fan, and if you guys notice, we have it in a dark place right now. We're gonna set it up. I set this up first, all right, because this is probably the hardest part. The easiest part is the top, when you're gonna have to marry them together. You're gonna need some help so you can wire it, all right? That's kind of very critical to wiring it, and then also you gotta make sure you do the ground too, all right? That's important. So they give you the neutral and the hot, all right? The hot is the black, the neutral is the white, and then of course we have this ground here. So just make sure you're aware of that. We're gonna ground it up. Make sure it goes into the base too. So this has a couple rubber ends at the top. So this is gonna be facing down, facing up, and then underneath you just lock it in place, and that should do it. So we're gonna set that up right now. So this is the old light fixtures coming apart. It's not as bright as it used to be, but it's an outdoor light. We're gonna replace it with a fan slash light. So let's go ahead and do that. Keep doing it. It's a hot one. Okay, perfect. We need a washer. I need a washer. All right, so we got the neutral. This is the neutral. We're gonna put them back in after. The neutral is gonna go in. This is the ground that we're gonna set up with this ground. It's green too, if you guys notice. And these two right here, I mean hot and neutral. Sorry, hot and neutral, right? Just make sure you do a tester all the time, all right? Make sure there's no additional power crossing the line, all right? That's very important if you want to set this up, all right? So now we replace the old one. Look how strong it is. We can hang out of it. We use the existing screws with the washers now, so we're good. That's nice. Huh? That's nice. I bought them. Might as well use them. You can dim it down, so you don't have to use them all. All right, here's the controller, guys. Very simple. You got to stop all. This is a stop all. This is off and on for the light, actual light, if you can see that. You got reverse for the actual fan. You got airstream. This actually is going to do like a wave on the fan. It just kind of slows it down, and it speeds it up and it slows it down pretty much. And this is the reverse. Now you got 1 through 6 to control the fan speeds, and then you can set up 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.